Hey guys, Todd here. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to install the Michelin Fahrenheit wiper blades on our 2021 Ford F-150. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go and get started. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is take a towel, lift up the windshield wiper and set it down. Once we take this off, if the windshield wiper arm comes down and hits the windshield, you can damage your windshield. So next what I'm going to do is lift up the windshield wiper. Underneath there's a little lever. You push up on the lever and then the windshield wiper blade comes right off of the arm. So from this angle, lever is right down here. All right, now here is our new Michelin wiper blade. What we're going to do is we're going to lift this portion up, pull our arm up. Now this has got kind of a J-shaped hook. We're going to loop it right in and snap it into place. Once that's snapped into place here, we're going to snap this down into place and we're all done. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. As always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.